not here to say, you got to eliminate Excel. But what they're really looking for is how do we take a lot of the stuff that we're doing and how do we move that into a BI tool like Power BI? And there's a lot of things you need to start considering when you're doing those types of conversions. You need to start looking at, well, one, where's our data at? And what kind of data are we using when we are moving to this conversion? How can we automate that data? What are some of the reports we're currently creating inside of Excel? And can we consolidate those reports into one? Power BI is really about, automating a lot of those mundane processes that Excel has, but it's also about making the data more efficient when it comes to actually analyzing that information.
One of the great things about Power BI, being a Microsoft product, is a lot of the tools within Excel and familiar aspects of Excel are used within Power BI. So for example, Power Query is heavily utilized within the Power BI environment. So for most people who are transitioning their knowledge now from Excel to Power BI, they'll see some familiar aspects of it, but different aspects will be much more powerful and being able to use in an enterprise fashion, both from a BI perspective and from a planning perspective as well.